We hope you found the CSW 67 Women in Tech event that the NGO Academy and Women's Federation International pulled together. We hope that you found it insightful and inspiring. Now, as part of our ongoing efforts to empower NGOs and especially women in their work of social entrepreneurialism with the latest technology, the NGO Academy is offering a free 90-minute workshop on using AI in your daily work. This workshop will cover how to integrate AI easily and naturally into your organizations and your day-to-day operations, what to watch out for to ensure ethical, appropriate, and effective use of AI. And this is especially for you if you are not at all or don't consider yourself a tech or techish in any way. So to secure your spot in this valuable workshop and to be sent reminders and etc., there's a link somewhere around here or a button. Click on that, add your email and your name, and then we'll get back to you with the details of this. We hope you'll take advantage of this opportunity to further enhance your organization's capabilities and impact, and to build you and your organization's resiliency, your awareness, your understanding of digital strengths and dangers, so that you're not just thinking about doing it, you're actually immersing yourself and gradually getting your deepening this awareness and getting some expertise in this area. So we look forward to seeing you there.